Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install apps from unknown sources on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. In order to actually enable installing from unknown sources, you have to go to Settings, go to Security and Privacy, scroll a bit, then click More Security Settings, and in here at the bottom of your screen you will see Install Unknown Apps. You tap it, and as you can see we have every single browser or every single way for us to actually install unknown apps. I'll normally using Chrome, so I will simply enable it for Chrome and, for example, my files. So now I can install unknown apps via Chrome and my files. And if I would want to deny it all, you can simply click the big button and it will automatically toggle off every single one of those toggles here. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.